Welcome to Linh House, your ultimate destination for home design inspiration. We're passionate about helping you create your dream home. From the grand exterior to the cozy interior, our channel offers a wealth of ideas, tips, and tutorials to guide you through every step of the design process. Whether you're building a new home or renovating an existing one, we've got you covered. Join us as we explore various architectural styles, interior design trends, and practical DIY projects to transform your house into a home you'll love. A stone sanctuary, modern design meets natural beauty. Nestled amidst the lush greenery of a verdant forest, a two-story stone house stands as a testament to the harmonious blend of human ingenuity and natural beauty. The rugged exterior, constructed from natural stone, provides a sense of permanence and grounding, seamlessly integrating the structure with the surrounding landscape. The wooden balcony, a striking feature that extends from the second floor, offers a panoramic view of the forest and the stream below. This elevated platform, a perfect spot for relaxation and contemplation, invites the inhabitants to connect with the natural world. The wooden railings, a warm and inviting contrast to the cool, hard stone, add a touch of rustic charm. The slide, a playful and unexpected element, connects the second floor to the stream below. This whimsical feature, a nod to childhood adventures, adds a sense of joy and wonder to the house. It invites the inhabitants to embrace their playful side and reconnect with their inner child. The interior of the house, while not visible from the exterior, is likely to be characterized by a minimalist aesthetic that complements the rugged exterior. The use of natural materials, such as wood and stone, can create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Large windows, offering unobstructed views of the forest and stream, can help to blur the lines between indoor and outdoor spaces. The house's design is not only aesthetically pleasing but also practical and sustainable. The use of natural materials, such as stone and wood, reduces the house's environmental impact. The placement of the house in the forest provides natural cooling and insulation, minimizing the need for artificial heating and cooling systems. In conclusion, the two-story stone house with a wooden balcony and slide is a remarkable example of contemporary architecture that seamlessly integrates with its natural surroundings. Its design, a blend of modern aesthetics and traditional elements, creates a dwelling that is both visually striking and psychologically soothing. The house's unique features, such as the slide and the panoramic views, offer a truly unforgettable living experience. Comment below to share your favorite garden. In addition, you can refer to some images and videos about designs on my channel to get more ideas for your garden. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to the channel to follow the latest design trend videos. Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it.